I've been using Simple Contacts for a while now, and in this video, I'm giving you my honest and unbiased review of the platform in 2025. I'll go over everything from key features to potential drawbacks, so by the end of this video, you'll know whether Simple Contacts is the right choice for you. Let's get into it. Simple Contacts is an online service designed to make it easier to renew your contact lens prescription and order lenses without visiting a doctor's office. It's aimed at people with busy schedules who need a fast, convenient way to manage their eye care needs. One of the standout features of Simple Contacts is their online vision test. It's a quick and easy process. You'll answer a few health questions and complete a vision test using your phone or computer. Once it's done, a licensed ophthalmologist reviews your results, and if everything looks good, they renew your prescription. The platform also offers a wide range of popular contact lens brands at competitive prices, which is super convenient if you want to skip the trip to the eye doctor or store. Plus, they offer fast shipping right to your door, making the process as hassle-free as possible. However, it's important to mention a few considerations. First, Simple Contacts is best for prescription renewals. It's not a replacement for comprehensive eye exams. If you're experiencing vision problems or need a full eye health checkup, you'll still need to see an eye care professional in person. Also, the availability of their service can depend on where you live due to state regulations. So make sure to check if Simple Contacts operates in your area before getting started. Overall, Simple Contacts provides a fast and convenient way to renew your contact lens prescription and order lenses online. It's a great option for busy people who want to save time. Just remember to keep up with your regular eye health appointments. Well, that's all for this video. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit that super thanks button by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel. And don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews. I'll see you in the next one.